Hello and welcome to the channel. First of all, Merry Christmas to each and everyone watching this channel for the last 1 year and supporting it. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and definitely advance Happy New Year to you all. So after finishing off with the Thailand series, it's time for me and you to visit a very different country, and this time we are going to go to Vietnam. And in this video I'm going to actually show you how you can apply for the e-visa for Vietnam, which will actually cost you more than 1000 to 1500 rupees less if you are doing it yourself and not going to apply it through any agencies. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. And if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So first you need to open your internet browser, and right here you can search Vietnam visa, e-visa, and this is the one which you are going to click, Vietnam e-visa national portal on immigration. So this is the home page of the Vietnam e-visa page, so you can just log in from here also. And if you have already applied, you can go search here in e-visa search. So this is the place. As you can see, personally apply for e-visa, you're going to click this one, and this is the format. Let me just show you. First you need to upload your photograph. You just need to go and do this from this particular section. Let me just show you once first. Okay, so first of all, the prices are given here: $25 for single entry and $50 for multiple entry electronic visa. You need to confirm this first and go to the next option. So this is the page, first one. You need to apply your photo. You just need to select this particular place and apply the photo where you have already kept in your desktop or laptop. This is the place where you need to apply the front page of your passport. After all the things are done, you need to add your surname, given name, date of birth, male or female, religion, email ID, current nationality. ID card number is something which you can skip. There's nothing to apply here. You can just skip this part because these are all given here. As you can see, have you ever used any other passport to enter into Vietnam? If no, then no is there. If yes, you can go to yes and click it here. So single entry. And this is from the place where you need to actually fill up grant e-visa valid from, and this is till the date. For me it's 10th of January, the date which I will be leaving India to Vietnam, and 18th of January, the day I will be coming back. So passport type will be ordinary passport, date of issue and the passport number, everything you can take from your own passport, and place of issue, all are given their expiry date inside the passport. So you just need to copy and paste these details. Your residential information, contact number, emergency contact, you can put up your parents or your friends or your relatives number. If there is any emergency, you can just actually add this up so that they can contact you. Occupation, just need to put it up here, telephone number and the company name and all, etc. Position. So entry of purpose will be tourism, definitely, and name of hosting organization, telephone number, address, purpose. If there is anyone who is actually hosting it for you, you can just put it up, or else you can just keep this particular place blank. So here you have to put up the length of stay in Vietnam. For me it's 8 days, so 8 will be my number, and internet date of entry is 10th of January for me. So you can just put it up, the day on which you are actually going to enter the country. This is the place where you need to put up from the place which you will be entering from. For me it's Hanoi, so I'm going to just go and select the airport here, Noi Ban International Airport, Hanoi, and exit through mine is Ho Chi Minh City, so Tan Son Nhat International Airport. You're going to place it according to the preference or the itinerary you have made for your next trip to Vietnam. Temporary residential address would be the hotel booking detail where you will be staying. on the first place. Like for me it's Hanoi, and Kien Vian Hotel I guess is the name where I'm staying, so I'm going to put that up here, and the city and province will be definitely Hanoi where I'm staying first. So phone number in Vietnam is the telephone number which you are going to give of the hotel in which you are staying. So this is the main place, and intended expenses in US, mine was 300. I've kept it. You can just put it up the amount of money which you are going to almost take. And who is actually covering your expenses? Definitely the applicant for me, because I am the one who is actually planning my trip to Vietnam. And if there is any organization or other agencies, just click this one, other agent or organization / individual. If you're carrying a health insurance, it's going to be yes. If no, then it's no. So after that, you're going to add on the captcha and click here that I assure I truly declared all relevant details, and click on review application form. So once you are finished off with the first page, you will be actually going to the next one, where you will be actually reviewing all the details which you have filled up for your e-visa process. And after that, go to the payment option and pay $25 for single entry and $50 for multiple entry e-visa. The payment will be done from your debit card or credit card, but for that you need to keep your international usage on. You can also use a forex card, by the way, to do the payment. After it's done, you are going to get a mail at your mail ID, where you will be given a registration code which you need to put up while searching for your visa, and also your date of birth, and you can check whether your visa is done or not. It normally takes around 3 working days, or sometimes more, even maybe 4. But one thing which I would actually definitely recommend you all is not to reapply for your e-visa before 3 or 4 working days, because if you do that, you are first going to lose $25, because the second application which will be filling up will be actually considered valid, not the first one. So after everything is done, after 3 working days, you are going to get this kind of thing. This is the particular e-visa which I have actually got. So this is what you will be getting, and this is what you will be needing for your next trip to Vietnam also, to enter the country and explore the beautiful places there. So I hope you all found the video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you all in the upcoming days in Vietnam. Till then, bye bye, take care.